What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. New day here, and still got the auction cars, but fortunately it's about time for the Honda to go, man. And we're just about to go meet up with them and sell it. You see we got Imani right here, so let's go meet up with the buyer, and hopefully we'll get this thing sold today. The buyer's supposed to be buying it for $2,000. I know I can get a little bit more, but it's Christmas time and not a lot of people are buying. And I just want to get back at the auction and get some more deals, some more newer cars if possible. So with that said, let's hop in the whip, man, and get right to it. Hopefully we can sell this bad boy today, and it'll be out of here. Alrighty, guys, one last drive with you guys with the Honda before we get this thing sold. I actually just been having this thing been sitting ever since we finished it up. However, I never got a chance to grab the wheel alignment. The one I usually go to is like literally across town, so I was just waiting up until somebody was gonna buy it. But I mentioned it to the buyer and he was just like, all right, I'm not even tripping, bro, like, I just need a car. So he wasn't tripping on that, so that just made things easier for me. So we're gonna sell it right now for $2,000. I know I can get at least 25 for it if I hold on to it a little bit longer. However, I'm not into holding things or preserving, so while the money's there and while it's good, I'd rather get that and keep moving forward. We'll still be able to make something off of it, so it's not like we're not making anything. So if we sell at $2,000 today, we should be making about a good $1,000 on this car, which is cool because we didn't do much of nothing to it. So, I mean, that's a plus. We just got an oil change and everything, topped off, and just made sure everything is A1. And you see right now, we're riding pretty smooth. It's running pretty good. And we are cruising. I should give you guys some sunlight. We do got the sunroof, so why not? And I got these windows down, so don't mind the wind, it'll be quick. What's up, guys? Next day here, man, and first of all, Merry Christmas to everybody out there, man. If you're looking at this today, you're enjoying Christmas, and you're actually checking me out, man. So I appreciate that. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's to you and your family. Back to why we're here today. If you guys see this, the parking spot is empty, the Honda is sold, and we made money. So let's get into exactly how much we made or lost or whatever it was. And you guys already know I pretty much made something on it. I mean, it was pretty easy. So let's just run it down now, shall we? Oh, and yeah, I'm looking pretty good. I know I was looking rough on my last couple of videos, but we shined up really nice, man. We back out here on this Christmas day before we get our day started. So I'll just hop in the Kia and then run down the pricing with you really quick. Alrighty, guys, profit or loss time, man. We ended up getting rid of the Honda for $2,000. We bought the car a couple weeks back. We won the winning bid for $750. After taxes, it came out to $841. What did we do to the car? Nothing was wrong with the car. It needed an alignment. However, we didn't get a chance to get that. So before we was gonna get that, we ended up getting the oil taken care of, which was like $85.70, something like that. I'll put the exact number right there on the side. We got the battery, which was $37 and like some change. We also got some antifreeze for it, which was like $7. So in total, into this car, we had $971.37 invested into this car, which is pretty cool. We got the car and we won it and fixed everything on it for under $1,000, so that's always a plus. We sold the car for $2,000, so we made about $1,037 or $38 on this deal, which was an incredible. I mean, we didn't really even have to do much. Just cleaned it up really nice, and I mean, you guys seen it. It was really flawless. The inside was really great looking. The outside was really great looking. It was a really good car. Everything worked on it. The sunroof had nice leather interior, so I think the buyer got a really good deal. I actually could have, of course, got more on it. However, we're in the season where a lot of people aren't having money on standby just because it's the holidays and whatnot. So I mean, for me, it's easier to just make the money now, whatever money I can make, and keep going, keep going back to the auction and just keep getting more flips, because I know that's what you guys want to see, and I don't want to have a car just sitting here all day for like weeks at a time. So it worked out for me. Sold it right before Christmas, which is a plus. We had the car for about 2 weeks. So I guess it's pretty cool. $500 a week that car brought me. So I mean, it's all right. It's pretty good. Could I got more? Yeah, I definitely could at least got 2,500 out of it. But hey, money talks, and you know, everything is for sale, and money talks. So also got the car wash on that thing, and I pay like a monthly membership, so it's not really a cost for the car wash. That was free and everything. So seems like a pretty fair deal. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think that was a good profit margin I made, or do you think you would have held on to it a little bit more and tried to scrape a little bit more out of the car? Just let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the whole car in general? How much it sold for, how much I bought it for, and how much we profited off of it. Do you guys think it was a good deal? Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate it. And for the people that don't believe me, it looks pretty empty back here. That Honda kind of filled up spots around here, but we only got the Kia left, guys. And next up on this thing, we're gonna be seeing what's it gonna take to get these little dents and dings out the door, because this car is gonna be going on Turo here pretty soon. We already got approved for it to go on Turo by Turo. So we're just gonna get these quick little dents out really quick. Not really quick, but we're gonna see how much it's gonna take to fix, get it repainted over, if possible, fixed up, and then go from there. Hopefully it should be a pretty cheap, easy fix. Hopefully, I'm hoping. But if not, you know how that goes. We'll see what happens. And if you guys were wondering about the Kia, never had any problems since we had that first initial problem. We've been 97 miles since then, and it's been running like a champ, so that's that. But yeah, this is the only car we got right now, guys, and the auction is coming up in the next couple of days, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the Honda selling. So alrighty, guys, I hope you guys are having a very Merry Christmas out there, man. Enjoy your family, enjoy the people around you, man. Until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.